Hello everyone! Are you looking for a powerful feature-packed smartphone that won't break the bank? Meet the Samsung A35, the perfect balance of performance, design, and affordability. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking to upgrade without overspending, the Samsung A35 is designed to impress. Let's talk about design. The Samsung A35 features a premium, sleek finish with a smooth, rounded edge that feels great in your hand. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, it doesn't compromise on build quality. Compared to other smartphones in the under $500 category, the A35 stands out with its superior craftsmanship and attention to detail. The A35 boasts a vibrant 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, delivering stunning visuals with deep blacks and rich colors. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or browsing social media, this display enhances every experience. Under the hood, the A35 is powered by an efficient processor that handles multitasking with ease. With 6 GB of RAM, switching between apps is seamless, and you can enjoy a smooth, lag-free experience whether you're gaming or working on the go. The camera is where the A35 truly shines. Equipped with a versatile triple camera setup, you can capture stunning photos in any condition. The 48MP main sensor delivers sharp, detailed images, while the ultra-wide and macro lenses give you the flexibility to get creative with your shots. And let's not forget the video capabilities. With electronic image stabilization, your videos will come out smooth and steady, perfect for capturing life's moments on the go. Battery life is another strong point of the A35. Its 5000 mAh battery easily lasts through a full day of heavy use. Plus, with 25W fast charging, you can quickly top up and be back to full power in no time. The Samsung A35 also comes packed with additional features that make it a great all-rounder. Expandable storage, dual SIM support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor all add to the A35's versatility and convenience. All of this comes at an incredible value, with the Samsung A35 priced under $500. It's a deal that's hard to beat, offering flagship-level features at a fraction of the cost. Ready to make the Samsung A35 yours? Click the link below to grab yours today and experience the perfect blend of performance and price.